Welcome this week. Welcome this week. Welcome to another episode of Alan Teaches English. This week I will be going over slang, drip, bae and boo, and hella. So stay tuned and I will explain them in context right after the intro. Hit it! Welcome, thank you for being here. You are all of my favorite people, except for my wife, obviously. I love her more than I love all of you, but that's okay. That's how life is supposed to be, and here we go. Our first slang term for the day is drip. That means I am dripping with style. Oh yeah, I'm a California boy. Do you see my drip? Yes, my drip simply is my style. I have too much of it. Like when you fill a cup of water and it's dripping off the side because you poured too much water inside of your glass, that is my style. I am full of drip. You could even say that I am dripping. Yes, that is our first word. And now for our second slang term that you must know is bae. Bae/boo. Boo is from my generation. I am trying not to date myself here. But I think of the song with Alicia Keys and Usher. You will always be my boo. I remember when you were my boo. You get the point. Boo is simply my girlfriend, my wife, my significant other, whether it is your boyfriend or whatever gender you choose to go by. Boo is that person, your love of your life. And it is the same thing with bae. Okay, bae is a more recent term. My bae is in the other room right now, reading or doing something. And so you can either use boo or you can use bae. They both mean the same thing. They both have the same effect, and everyone will understand what you mean. And our third and final word is not yet, because I have to remind you to follow me on Facebook, add me, and you can message me with any English questions that you might have. And subscribe to this video, share it with your friends. I'm sure they will love it just as much as you do. So, back to the video. We have one more word, which is hella. Hella is an intensifier, meaning you use it to intensify whatever else you are saying after hella. Okay, so, it is hella hot out there. Ay, ay, ay. Or, my drip. I got hella drip today. I'm hella hungry. You are hella beautiful. Probably shouldn't say you are hella beautiful. You are not going to impress a man or woman by saying you are hella beautiful, but you get the point. That was a quick little 3 words for you today. We went over slang. You can find many more slang terms in my previous video that I did on slang. You just scroll down a little bit and it's right there. And last but not least, find me on Cambly. I am on there every single day. I am helping students like you improve their English conversation. It's wonderful. Check out the link below, get 5 free minutes. And with that said, peace. Peace.